Tony don't smoke OG.
Tony don't smoke OG.
Tony don't smoke OG. Back again. Look, it finally started raining, Tony.
Yep.
I think it's that time of year.
It's dark enough.
It is dark
We
enough.
got the lights on.
Yep. You had them off all day.
Wow. Well, I mean,
I had to turn them on because we were talking about father-son stuff.
And it was
wait a second. You're 1,000 watts. Your father-son stuff.
Yep.
Were you showing him your wart?
Yeah. It keeps growing.
Good. Good. That's good. Awesome. Good to be back here, Tony. How you been?
Oh, dude. Do you ever get a sliver like right between your fingernail and your finger?
That's from torture from your days in the CIA, Tony.
Right?
Yes.
Well, I got one.
There's stories for days. Dude.
Oh my God,
Don't
that
make
was
it
a
worse.
gusher, dude.
Damn.
That hurt.
Look at that. Wow, this tastes great. What are we puffing on here?
Last round of cookies.
That's
Oh.
I-250s.
It's I-225.
225, man. I'm making deals over here.
Yeah, he's making deals over here. That's I-225.
Should be 250.
cookies.
Shit.
Dude.
Oh, it tastes great, dude.
Yeah, thank you.
How old's this?
Month ago, not even. Papa. Here, I'll just get back to you.
Yeah,
What?
Yeah. What?
you
I
seem,
got this freaking sliver in
you
the tip
seem a
of my
little
finger.
disoriented,
Yeah, Papa.
Tony.
It hurts.
You know you're on the mic right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's on the show. This is part of his character. You're like, he's aloof. He doesn't care.
It's like owie, dude.
You want me to get it for you?
It's tiny. Come here. You can see it better than I can.
You guys
I'm all mic'd up, bro.
Oh, that's right. You're hooked up. Never mind. I'll just have to let it go for now.
Yeah, we'll
He's
get it
such
after this.
Now that he's a star, he's such a prima donna.
If I was a prima donna, somebody would be pulling this out for me right now.
Pull this one out right here.
You see this? Someone's
You
pulling
see
it
this
out.
middle finger? Pull it out.
Slowly pull it
Damn,
out.
dude. So what? I-225. What is your secret to making that taste so good?
Yeah.
How does that
tasty
taste so
nugget.
good?
I think it's got to be the knowledge from my father.
Oh, you're fluffing somebody
I'm
now.
fluffing
I want
my father.
something real. Come on.
But
on.
tree me up.
Yeah. What are you trying to borrow some money or
It's,
something?
No, I wish.
Oh, it's the other way around.
Yeah, it's just consistency, being on top of it. No checks and growth, you know.
It's discipline.
Organics. Discipline for sure.
No checks and
No
growth.
checks
What do you
and
mean
growth.
by no checks and growth?
No checks and growth being from like, I don't know if you're using cuts, seeds. Always stay on top of them.
Never let them want for anything.
Yeah, never let them, be sad. Like,
Be sad.
let them get in
little
the
cutting.
dumps, yeah.
Don't get in the dumps.
Stay on
little
top of the
plant.
watering. Stay on top of whatever nutrient line you're using. And, don't
Never
hurt
be
'em.
underfed. Never be overfed.
Totally.
Never be underwatered. Never be overwatered.
Exactly.
Always be transplanted
Definitely.
in the right time. Never
Do it like it's a crop of poinsettias that are going to be ready for Christmas
Okay. Exactly. They got to be bright red, rosy.
with lots of blooms,
or nobody's gonna buy your shit.
or nobody's going to want your poinsettias.
And nobody is going to
What are
want
those
'em.
green
Poinsettias
things?
are the same thing too. Day and night schedule. It's the length. It's darkness.
Yeah.
The amount of darkness determines the
Yeah.
flowering. So poinsettia growers have to do the same thing. They have to trigger that flowering at just the right time
Yeah, no
to have
doubt.
those blooms form and come out by Christmas.
Yeah, those aren't.
So you
Those
know
aren't organic though.
some could be.
No, not
Who wants
really.
organic?
They're for show, so it doesn't matter.
Right.
all
So
looks.
much of that stuff comes from Mexico now.
like
All
fake-
that stuff that you see that's just in cocoa fiber, that's Mexico. I don't know if you ever see the stuff, but
I used to buy semis full of them, and a lot of them are grown in California, right here.
Right. Yeah, the market's changed recently, allowing the importation from Mexico
Right.
when you use cocoa.
NAFTA.
When you use cocoa. So, hey, this is something that I've often wondered the answer to is in the poinsettia grows I've been to, plants are spaced far apart and they have small pots that look fucking huge. And if I imagine them being weed, I'd be like, wow, man, that's like a 1/4-pound plant in a 3-gallon pot. You know what I'm talking about? And they
Right.
space them really far apart. How did they do that?
How do they what? Space?
How do they like grow those big plants
trees?
in those 3-gallon or 2-gallon pots, those poinsettia pots.
It's chemical fertilizer. And a
straight up.
very good program. They got, like I said, everything's got to be exactly on time with the right number of buds and the right number of open flowers. And if it's not, that truck gets turned back and goes back to the farm, which is a big loss for the nursery. So they got to have everything perfect.
Right. So it's that
You think
strive
growing
for
weed is
perfection.
hard.
Right. Because, you're making $2 or $3 a plant or something.
Right.
Maybe,
Yeah, you can't screw it up. And it's easy to screw up. There's a lot of things that can get in the way. And they start with small cuttings and then grow them on to whatever size. There's some that grow into bushes. There's some that grow into standards, what they're called lollipop standards. They have a little round head. And, they look nice when they're grown in an 8-inch,
sure
10-inch pot.
Yeah, just this weekend I saw 6 acres of cannabis that was previously a cut flower farm. Right. Huh. And they literally just went from one cycle of cut flowers to the next cycle growing herbs.
Wow.
Right. The shit was impressive. Anybody who says you can't grow large scale weed and have good quality, dude, they're doing a pretty damn good job of it. That's for sure.
Where was
but
this?
like that, Southern California. But it's these professionals that are coming to the marketplace, and they have like ganja influence, and then their laborer's been growing flowers for 20 years for $10 an hour. And
Right.
you pay them $13, and they're like, "Yeah,
We'll grow all the flowers you
grow
want.
the flowers you want." Right? But they were growing them in a similar manner. They were netting them up, but they had maybe 7 or 10-gallon pots spaced far apart, like one for 3
In a greenhouse?
in a greenhouse, 3 square, 4 square feet.
Yeah, and they can do varieties like, really long flowering hazes and
They
Thai.
were cranking it down to 6 strains. They had started out with 15 and gotten down to 6.
Right, probably OG.
That's smart. They'll probably go even lower soon.
They said 15 was too much.
Yeah, 15's a little much.
What strains? OG
Diesel, OG,
Diesel, OG.
cookies,
yeah.
um,
All the strains everybody wants.
Diesel, OG.
The strains
cookies.
in demand.
This stuff looked great. They're
Down in
handling it
Southern
properly.
Cal, you could do all kinds of great stuff just right outside. Stuff, like really long flowering hazes and Mexican.
Oh, yeah, no doubt. Here it comes, man. The search for real flavors, because that's one of the things that Colorado tries to do is they have a bunch of flavors, and that's great, but there's not enough difference in it. When you can take some Panama seeds or some Angola Thai, Haze, Irene crosses or something, grow them out in the full sun in a place like Southern California,
yeah.
That's some of the best growing conditions in the world.
Yep.
Right, where like the best olives and the best white wine in the world grow.
Yeah.
Dude, that's just going to be dank.
Yeah, it is.
Right? If somebody's got the balls enough to do it instead of just wanting to grow OG or Blue Dream.
Right.
If somebody can come up with a vision of, hey, man, we need exotic, high caliber
They should leave
cannabis.
the indicas for Humboldt and the sativas for Southern California.
SoCal sativa and
I can't believe you guys are using those terms. You know I hate that shit.
What?
Right.
Indica sativa?
Yeah.
Or, dude, whatever.
do whatever.
Do whatever, bro. Those
long flowering. Yeah. What?
gin-leafed plants.
LM what? Or LF something?
Yeah. The fat leaf drug cultivar
Right.
At least he's not calling them strands.
Yeah.
strands. I got 2 strands, sour diesel and OG Kush. I got 2 strands. Oh yeah, I'll take a hit off that again. So man, this is pretty good, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Hey
It
man, on
smokes good.
our leaf rating, on our 5-leaf rating, what do you impartially, what are you thinking about this here?
Dude, that's up there with that one we smoked the other day.
Was our first
The purple
5-star rating
ogre?
also from I-225? Oh, isn't there a rule about like if
Yeah,
no,
you
there's
can't
no
do it
rules.
twice in
No,
a
there's
row.
no rules.
I
There's
got
no
it.
rules. Does he know this?
Was this
I
from
got
the
it
same
out of
batch
4.
as that?
He doesn't even
Urkel?
know this.
The
Here's the
Urkel OG?
Yeah. This
It
was
is?
last round, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So that whole run was really good.
But what about
The purple,
It was a 5-leaf,
the old,
5-star
the
run.
old family purple.
I'm giving it a 4.
Well,
Yeah,
the old family purple
purple
got
and
our only
Girl Scout.
5-star rating we've ever given on the Tony Don't Smoke OG show. I just want you to know that.
Thank you, man.
And-
Much appreciated. I give it a 4 still.
Oh, that's good,
I
man.
critique myself a little bit.
It's good, man.
There's nothing like praise from my dad and good friend Chip.
No first names.
Oh, my bad.
You just got to keep in the circle, bro. Yeah, I know you said go such good ganja, but you can't smoke it. What's going on?
I do.
Are you on probation or you got paper?
Like, no papers, no nothing.
No.
I keep it clean. I don't even know that many people.
Yeah, right. Awesome. Oh man, well, let's just sit back and smoke the rest of this joint.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
So
Yeah.
Wait a second. Did we give a
Powerful medicine.
Did we give a rating on this one?
On this one?
I don't know if I can give this one a 5-star. I don't think it's as good as the other one.
You don't think so?
No, I think this is a 4 though. Solidly.
Yeah.
Solid.
I'm
4.
giving it a 4 too for
It's
myself.
smoking good
4
all the
leaf.
way.
4 leaf. Yeah, man. Here we go.